Hello everyone. The 2 days module on economic and commercial diplomacy for the Indian Foreign Service Officer trainees has come to an end. It was a very insightful and enriching 2 days module. So we had everything covering from free trade agreements, bilateral investment treaties to world trade organizations, and also how the trade between India and the other countries, be it in goods or services, is happening, and also from a very futuristic perspective, how we are going to become a 2 trillion trade economy in the future. So it also helped us to understand as foreign service officer trainees what our role going to be, and it also made us dream of being able to head the commercial wing in our mission postings in the future. It was very comprehensive that way.
Hello everyone. Now that the 2-day module of Economic and Commercial Diplomacy organized by Ministry of Commerce for Indian Foreign Service Officers of 2023 batch and 2 Bhutanese diplomat has come to an end. I must tell that this module has provided a deep insight into the functioning of Ministry of Commerce, into the various trade policies, and it has provided a deep understanding about the SEZs, FDI, BITs, and various others schemes that is being undertaken by the ministry. A greater understanding has been provided about where India stands and what is the prospect and where we are lagging. As an Indian Foreign Service Officer, I can foresee that economic diplomacy and commercial diplomacy is going to play a very vital role in our bread and butter in the coming future. I think the insights that we have gathered here in this module are going to be of extreme use for us. So this was a very insightful and wonderful module that was organized for us. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So we've had 2 very insightful days in the Department of Commerce. We've had subject experts come and speak to us about all the things that I'd hoped to learn from the program. We've had topics covered from the very basic to the intricacies that are important to us as future diplomats. We've learned about international trade, its interplay with diplomacy. We've also learned about how the trade strategies are being developed, what are the trends, what is the analysis that goes into it. We've also covered the legal aspects that come up in between all of this. So it has been 2 very engrossing and enriching days. We're very grateful for that, and I would like to thank the organizers for the same.